Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. And in this video, we are trying to connect our domain to a website that in a previous video we hosted through app services in Azure. So to connect the domain, first go to the app services and select the hosted service that we done in previous video. And then here in a settings, you can see that there is a one tab that name a custom domain. Click that, and here is something interface like that. So add the custom domain, click this button, and here you see something like that. So I have my domain in GoDaddy. So in app service domain I don't have. So all other domain service I will be click, and I will be add certificate later. And here I might add my domain. After add domain, it's give me something I want to with a record, and it's give me some values. It's tell that go to your provider, domain provider, and add the record of name A and add the value of this. So I doing some that's a value and add the at the rate and add this value, and here click custom and 600. It will be a add record fastly. You can do anything as you wish. And second things, it's take type txt I this and paste this value. So I doing again same, add new record. It's my txt and it's SUID and paste the value, and I doing same this custom and 600 milliseconds seconds, and click save. Then it will take us some time to process and click validate. After that, click add, and here something look like that. Here you can see there is something no binding, add binding, and the domain names come, but at that time this domain is not working. To make it working, click add bind, and we need to add a certificate. We can use the existing certificate, add new certificate, or a domain name. So I within this domain name I need to add new certificate within SNI SSL, and my certificate will be uh, I'm telling Azure let's create my own certificate. I don't have additional certificate, and I think these things I will be added, and click validate. Yeah, it's after that it will be give you. I have already created it, so I add my own domain, so I don't need to rebuild. After that it will be secure, be connected. So yeah, my domain is connected, and if I go to my URL, and here you can see my domain is already there. With here you can see I connected with my domain, and with my domain my Azure hosted website is accessible. So yeah, that's for this video.